everyone. I'm Abby Skarosky. I am a regulatory and reporting engineer here at ESC Spectrum. Welcome to an episode of Regulatory and Reporting Revelations, where we're all about making staying in compliance a breeze. Today, we're going to start talking about monitoring plans and how they're the foundation to avoid a stressful reporting month. Your monitoring plan might be sitting in the pits of ECMPS collecting dust. However, that plan is the blueprint to avoiding unwanted surprises during reporting month. Whether it's adding new components, adjusting span and range, keeping your monitoring plan up to date is crucial. We all know that the smallest detail can cause pages and pages and pages of ECMPS errors. Adding that certification event or updating your span and your monitoring plan can save a massive amount of not just time, but frustration when reporting month rolls around. But here's the kicker. Uploading your monitoring plan doesn't have to be a headache. We provide step-by-step guides for uploading your monitoring plan into StackVision or Prism in our blog, The Source. With proper steps in place, you'll be uploading your monitoring plan in just a few minutes. While monitoring plans might not be the most exciting part of compliance, they are definitely the unsung heroes. Keeping them updated will help your reporting months fly by and remove a lot of unexpected hurdles before they even get in the road. As always, ESC Spectrum Regulatory Reporting Team is here to help. Contact us to schedule a consultation today. Thanks for tuning in for another episode of Regulatory and Reporting Revelations. We'll see you soon.